Hi everyone, it's Ashley here from Let's Talk Porsche. Today's video is going to be all about setting up your My Porsche account and also purchasing a tracker for your Porsche. It's almost time to pick up your brand new Porsche. So what you need to do now is activate your My Porsche account. Now you'll receive an email through directly from Porsche with a link to activate it, and it's going to look a little something like this. So with the email, it's going to come up saying activate your insert car. We've got a Taycan GTS Sport Turismo, which we're very excited about. On this email, as you can see, there's a button here that just says confirm new vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to click onto that link, and that's going to bring us to a page where we can set up our brand new My Porsche account. So what we're going to do is we're going to click onto don't have an account and sign up. And here's where we're going to create our Porsche ID. So here we're going to enter in all of our details for our Porsche ID. So I'm just going to pop my name in here and my email address. Obviously going to read all of the terms and conditions and accept those. And also read and accept the data privacy statement. And that's going to create our Porsche ID account. Now that sent me a confirmation email. So I'm just going to confirm that now from my email. So now that we've set up our email, we're now going to create a linked phone as well. So it's going to now send a confirmation code to the mobile number that is saved on here. Now, as you can see, it shows you the last 4 digits of that number. If those 4 digits aren't correct, then please do call either Porsche Connect support or your local Porsche Centre. So I'm just going to go on to request confirmation code now, and it's going to send me a 5-digit code to my mobile number. There we go. So I'm just going to enter in this code now onto a screen. Wonderful. So now it's asking me to set up a security code. Now this is used for remote access. You need to make sure that no unauthorized persons know this code for you. So I'm going to pick one that is personal to myself. Now I'm going to put it in again and save it now. Wonderful. Now you'll notice that now that I've set up my identification and security settings, it's now put us through to activation. Now because it's a Taycan, it's giving me quite a few different services that I can activate free of charge. I can see, for example, I've got the Porsche charging service, which is a zero cost option. And this is going to be a 12-month period. It's basically going to make sure that I've got a reduced tariff if I'm charging at a Porsche Centre or at an Ionity charger as well. So it's definitely worth having. So I'm going to make sure that's on there. There's also Porsche Connect Care. So that is your smart service, your breakdown call, being able to download your driver's manual into the vehicle and onto your app as well. You get that free for 10 years. So again, that's on there with a zero cost option. And then the third zero cost option, which is one that I highly recommend, is our Navigation Plus. Now, this basically is everything from satellite maps to live traffic updates. It also includes things like Radio Plus, which is like online radio, your weather, your news. It's going to incorporate the charging planner if you are on a Taycan as well. So again, very, very, very helpful. Now that is free of charge for 3 years. After that point, it is a chargeable service. So if you found it really useful, then do please call your local centre and we'll get that set up for you. So I'm just going to click on to continue to activation. As we can see, I've got my billing address there. I'm going to need to specify a delivery address for my Porsche charging card. So that's the same. Payment details, I've currently got that set up as PayPal. You can edit that if you like and change that to a card, and then an order summary there. So it's a one-time payment of £0 and 0 pence. Now, because it is still a payment, if you like, it's probably now going to take me on to the bank's own confirmation page, if that makes sense, just to make sure it definitely is yourself. And again, we're going to read and accept the general terms and conditions and terms of use and click on to order. Now that you've done that, if you're interested in purchasing a tracker for the vehicle, I'm going to show you how to get that set up, okay? So all you're going to do is you're going to log back into your My Porsche account. We're then going to click onto the vehicle and we're going to scroll down past the map down to car security package. When I click onto that, it brings up information about Porsche vehicle tracking system, or PVTS. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click onto buy a service for this vehicle. Now, if you are in a Taycan, a 911, a Panamera or a Cayenne up until this most recent facelift, this will all be done through your My Porsche. If you are in a Macan or a 718, I'll show you how to do that a separate way. As you can see, that's brought us to our car security package page. At the moment, the price for that is £269 per year. You can set that to automatically renew, which is obviously a lot more convenient. However, some people prefer to untick that option and decide each year whether they'd like to continue with the tracking service. So all I'm going to do at this point is to click on to purchase now, and that's going to bring us to a very similar page, one that we've just seen when we were activating our free services. As you can see, it gives you a little bit more information about the tracker. It's a category 5 Factum tracker this, term for 1 year, and I've set it so that it will stop after 1 year. If I go to proceed to checkout now, so it's now going to ask you some service related information about your vehicle. So that's your model type, your vehicle colour, and also registration number if you know it. Now ideally you get this all sorted prior to picking up the vehicle because it can take kind of 24 to 48 hours to activate if you like, and then the technicians have to pair that up. So it's ideally the sooner you can get it done prior to collection, the better. Now the one thing I will say, so obviously at the moment I'm activating it for a Taycan GTS Sport Turismo, is when it comes to model type, they only have 3 options. So they've got Cabriolet, Coupe and SUV. So for this particular one, I am actually going to say Coupe. If it was a Cayenne, for example, you might put SUV, and if it was a soft top, you'd go Cabriolet. So it's a bit limited in those options, but as long as you pick one that you are going to remember as to what you called it, you're good to go. Vehicle colour with this one, this is actually one of our paint to sample ones, but I'm going to put it in as a green. And registration number, if you know it, you can pop it in. If not, don't worry, because as you can see, it's not an asterisk one, which means it's not essential. So I'm just going to confirm the owner details. So I'm going to use myself, my own billing address, and the mobile number that I've added in. It's now going to ask me to set up 2 security questions. Now this can be whatever you like. It can be, mother's maiden name, favourite child, or anything like that. I'm going to put in some nice easy ones like, what is my favourite Porsche? Ideally spell it correctly and put the answer in. And then the second one could be childhood home. And again, this can be anything you like. It's basically just if you set off without the driver cards, for example, in your vehicle, you're going to get a phone call from Vodafone just to make sure that it definitely is yourself who is driving it. And they're going to ask you to confirm a couple of security questions. So as long as you know the answer, it doesn't really matter what you put. And then all we're going to do now is we're just going to click continue. It's going to bring up an order summary for us. And again, because it's a payment, it might take you to your bank's own page to confirm details. And then you're good to go. So now your My Porsche account is all set up, your tracker is purchased, and all that's left to do is watch some more tech tips on our Let's Talk Porsche YouTube channel.